Good afternoon, students. In this video, today we are going to learn these points in computer for grade 7. So, first of all, we will start point CPU. So what is CPU? As we know, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it is very important part of computer. Why is it important part of computer? Because without CPU, no any type of instruction can be given or any type of command can be processed, because everything is used to control by the CPU. Clear? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Now what is CPU? CPU is a device in computer which is used to process the data. And what things will be done by the CPU? It is used to process the data, control the instructions, and even saves instructions during processing. Right? What we can say, CPU is used to process the data, control the instructions, and save the instruction during processing. So CPU, the important part of CPU of computer is, why is it important? Because it is used to process the data, control the instruction, and save the instruction during processing of the data. How many parts of CPU is there? There are 3 parts of CPU. First one is ALU, second one is CU, and third one is MU. How many parts are there? ALU, CU, and MU. What ALU does? ALU stands for Arithmetical Logical Unit. Arithmetical Logical Unit. What is the function of ALU in the CPU? Actually, the function of ALU is to process the arithmetical data. Arithmetical data or arithmetical equation will be processed by the ALU. That is why its name is Arithmetical Logical Unit. Why is it arithmetical logical? Means arithmetical operations will be controlled or will be solved or will be evaluated by ALU, or after that it will be controlled. Clear? Once arithmetical operation comes into CPU, it will start to evaluate by the ALU, then after it logically value will be assigned and then result will be given. Then second one comes, which is called CU. CU stands for Control Unit. What control unit does? Control unit controls the operations of different instruction in the computer. Whatever instruction is given by the user, that instructions will be controlled by the CU. That's why its name is Control Unit. And next one comes Memory Unit. What is memory unit? Memory unit saves the instructions during processing of data. Whenever user used to give data into the computer for processing, so it has to be processed, it has to be controlled, and it has to be saved during instruction. Because in case if I have given huge amount of data to the computer for processing, in that situation MU will store some of the instruction when it has been arranged in the queue, right? So these are the 3 main parts of CPU. That is why we used to say CPU is the brain of the computer, right? So now next points I am going to cover, which is primary memory. Before telling you about primary memory, I would like to tell you about memory. What is memory? Memory is a place where user can store his or her data in electronic signal. Where? In electronic signal. In computer, whatever data we used to save, every data will be saved in form of electronic signal. I mean to say, it will be saved in form of 0 and 1. Why will it be saved in form of 0 and 1? Because computer understands only and only binary language, which is on the concept of 0 and 1. Right? So memory is a storage device which is used to store the data, or it is a place where user can save his or her data in the computer. What is primary memory? Only 2 points I would like to cover in this video. This primary memory is also a type of memory which stores the data temporarily. Temporarily means data will be saved in your computer till the connection of power supply. As power supply went off, immediately all the data will be erased from your computer. That means primary memory does not allow to save the data permanently. Second one comes secondary memory. Secondary memory, those type of memory which gives or which allows to the user to save the data permanently for long time. Clear? And next point is backup. What is backup? Backup is a process of keeping the data or copying the data from original data in another file. What I want to say, the process of backup is a process of copying the data from original data. Why should we copy it? Because in future, suppose that if my data will be lost, so that if I will have a backup, I can use it again. For that purpose, we use backup. Okay, so I hope you all have understood these points. Thank you.